Hello friends, Hastane Jobs YouTube channel noro jotono lamsago tinni kotal notification ka National Institute of Technology Agartala ni bisingtina kotal kaisa notification khurka written examination ni bagai. To friends omoka National Institute of Technology Agartala ni bisingtina kotal notification khurmani 10 June 2022 no notification bisingtero rejaktango Pharmacist, SAS Assistant, Library and Information Assistant at NIT Agartala ni bisingtina jara e post ni bagai apply khlajak tong tei norong ni bagai written test ni bagai ora derajaka tei written test ni bagai merit list khlajak tongo tei merit list no video ni paithagono ang norokno phunugri nai tei norok video ni description thanibo nai manano tei Pharmacist, SAS Assistant, Library and Information Assistant post ni bagai tei written test lajak nai 10 July 2022 Sunday no lajaknai te time rejak tongo 10:30 am ni simi 12:30 pm jora lajaknai to friends written test ni bagai sing admit card bahai ke download khlainai ke tero suijak tongo registered email id ni through no admit card download ni link no send khlairanai to all shortlist candidate rok no ni sajak to friends o post ni bagai norok ni exam center admit card ro mention khlaijak tongo ni sajak fighting ke jeng taba o post ni bagai written test ni merit list ni kisa nailanai tei norok ni merit list mung tongo norok ni registered email id no admit card download khainai link no send khlairanai ni sajak to friends omonka National Institute of Technology Agartala ni bisingtina final merit list ni notification 9 June 2022 no okormani tero suijak tongo Pharmacist, SAS Assistant, Library and Information Assistant at NIT Agartala ni bisingtei to friends norok o post ni bagai apply khlaijak hingke tei norok ni merit list o mung tongo dinna koroi tei norok video ni description ni thani PDF no download khlaina kaham khe naidi।